Ryan B, we were on the live feed, man. I thought I was shipping all these sealed, so I put initials as we were rolling on the live feed. We just did Thaddeus. It was right before yours. I thought that was shipped, but he said he wanted to break. You now said you wanted to break. You were RB. Ryan, here we go. 2014 Immaculate. One, two, three, four, five, six. It looks like there's a points card in here, but it looks like they're being put in as extra. Every box that doesn't have a points card has 6 cards. This one has 6 and a points card, so. But it does have 2 base cards. That's what it is. The ones that have 2 base cards, they're giving you a point. So instead of getting a hit, you're getting a base card and some points. Number to 99, Carson Palmer. Number to 25, Arian Foster. 24 of 25. Huh. His jersey number is 23. The card is 24, and it's made out of 25. 23, 24, 25. That's a fancy. Those are worth like 5 times regular value. 14 of 84, Antonio Brown. Antonio Brown. Jesus, Chris. Sammy Watkins, Jadeveon Clowney, Blake Bortles, and Khalil Mack. This is the biggest one I've ever pulled. 600 points. 600 points. You can use that to pay for shipping. Redeem that for shipping. Just kidding. Patch autograph, Giovanni Bernard, 41 of 49. And 47 of 49, Kevin Norwood. Okay. That's it, Ryan B. You're in the group break as well, just in case you're not following the Facebook or Twitter. It appears that a bunch of the cases they were snowed in, and now they're coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to do one group break today. I don't know if you're in that one or not, but if not, then we'll be doing the rest tomorrow. Thanks, bud. See you.